Today we're going to unlock this device from one of the easiest and fastest way is without needing to use a PC. Let's remove this screen lock and let's to delete what is a Google account too with a single click. How are we going to do it without a PC? This is a method that doesn't use any PC at all. The first thing we're going to do to solve this and to recover our device, watch the step-by-step video tutorial. The ending so you don't miss any details and can find a solution to this recovery. Having said all that, as you know, these devices are not allowing entry into mode recovery A normal. But we have done what is a video tutorial to be able to enter the mode. After recovery mode, I'll explain what we're going to do next. Fix and recover our device because these devices won't let us in. Normally, as we did before, by pressing the power button. The volume up button doesn't let you turn off the phone either, if that's your case too. So what we're going to do is use a USB-C cable with the same input and we'll to be on the phone. We're going to connect it here now and connect it to another phone. We'll connect it too, but this is the one that should show it loading. Let's see. Let's press the power button. Press and hold the volume down button at the same time and we're going to turn off this phone. We're going to turn it off. We're going to turn it off and then insert the USB cable. Let's see if it shows loading. It is showing loading. Let's insert the cable properly. It seems I hadn't inserted it correctly. It seems so. Let's do it. Let's turn it on again. Now it's working. You have to show us the phone charging while it's off, while it's on. Let's exchange it. Let's exchange it. We'll exchange it. Now we put it in this way and it seems to be showing it loading. Okay, now what we're going to do is press the power button. Press and hold both volume down buttons simultaneously. When it turns off quickly, we release the volume down button. We hold the volume up and when it shows us what? It's the Samsung logo, we immediately release the volume button. Press the power button to enter recovery mode. This needs to be done quickly. Now that we're here, what we need to do is go to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. We scroll down and click where it says Factory Data. Now we click where it says Wipe Cache. We click Yes, with the power button on. Now we see the same thing in Wipe Data. We click here, we click. Again, in Wipe Data, in Wipe Cache, now we're going to do it. We're going to wipe data again for the third time, and now for the third time. Once we do it again, now we restart the phone. Now when it shows the logo, we're going to press the volume down button and we're going. Hold for 15 seconds. After those 15 seconds. So what we would be doing is releasing that volume down button so we can get to the beginning and then I'll explain how you're going to skip that account. From Google. We'll wait a few seconds until we get to the start page and then we'll explain everything. Step-by-step instructions so you don't miss any details and can solve this problem. Recovery in one of the easy ways. And fast without using any PC. Come on, let us know in the comments what model you have. What phone model do you have so I can send you a video exclusively. Tutorial for your model. We'll wait here until it takes us directly to the home page. Well, Our phone isn't starting up correctly. Now that we're starting, we're going to complete this recovery process. Let's now skip over that account. From Google and comes what is an introduced SIM card. What you're going to do is remove that card. You're going to withdraw that SIM card. Let's click here. We'll click here. We're giving it a go here now, jumping without having any synchronization. We click Next. We click Skip. We click Accept again. We click on Add. We click on Next. We click on Next. We'll wait a second here. It would take us directly to what is. At the beginning, we would already be finalizing this recovery process.